Today we got a beautiful plant to talk, and the name is peace lily. Let's make shine peace lily. Does anyone knows why this plant named as peace lily? It because she looks of innocence, purity, healing strength and the hopes. My peace lily is having a lot of unwanted plants around it, so I always need to clear it up to give her a better air circulation around the roots area to glow beauty. Peace lily makes excellent house plants for the home or office where a good number of lights are appearing. So this is the place where I am used to keep this peace lily. The sunlight is not directly touching this plant, and you can see the sunlight is falling over here, and here is really shady areas and it's really glowing. The leaves is shining. To glow peace lily's leaves, you need to plant in a right soil and make sure it gets good amount of sunlight that it required. I kept this one earlier at the dark areas and the leaves started getting brown. When I kept this at outside and in direct sunlight, it started glowing. One of the common mistakes in the care of peace lilies is overwatering. Peace lilies are far more tolerant of underwatering than overwatering, which is one of the most common reason for a peace lily to die. Peace lilies are actually quite happier to be a bit crowded in their pots. If it is growing massively, then you need to understand this need to be repotted to another pot which is a couple of inches more wider. Grow in a container that has a good drain and it is not more than 1/3 larger than the root balls of your peace lily. If your peace lily is having only one flower, then give her more space and good amount of light to prevent issues. Keep your peace lily indoor where a good amount of lights can come so it grows well. Got some nice tips? Please comment below and make sure you subscribe this channel for another one.